Hello everyone, I'm going to unbox my new G-Shock watch which is just arrived today. So you can see the packaging, it's pretty neat. I ordered it from Amazon. So you can see the G-Shock branding here, and this is the price. If you can see it properly, this is the price right here. Go ahead and open it. Yeah, it comes with a warranty card. So there you see, it's 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty with 6 months extended warranty, which is nice. Okay, let's move on. You can see they're provided with a nice metal box. It's durable, and you can carry your watch with it everywhere. So, this is the watch manual, and what is this? You get an international warranty card as well. Let me see if it is sealed. No, it is not sealed, but don't worry, you can always register your watch online in CASIO's official website, which is pretty useful. Let's go for the watch. Here you go, guys. Look at the beauty. Yeah. Look how pretty pearlescent white it is. On the sides, yeah. So this is the model number. And the specifications. Let's go ahead and open it up. Looks pretty cool to me. Please let me know in the comments how does it look. It is one of those silver bezels, and it is a mineral glass. Let me check out the buttons. The buttons are tactile as well. Do you hear that? It's pretty audible. Nice. So let me see how it looks on my wrist now. Okay, before that, we'll check out what's on the back. You see G-Shock branding right there, and you see CASIO brand here as well. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, let's see how it looks on my wrist now, the main part. Oh yeah, looks pretty cool. Looks a tad bit tacky, especially if you have a narrow wrist like this, like mine. I think it'll look pretty good on you. So overall, it is lightweight, but it has got some weight which gives it a premium feel to it. Overall, I like the watch. Good job, CASIO, good job.